Taking a look at DraftKings, Dkng, nice little pop today, up 2%, 0.87 cents on the day. If you've been watching my videos here on DraftKings, the area of opportunity that I was talking about was down here at this, what is this, the 100 or the 150? Yeah, the 100-day moving average here. We are going to find a little bit of support going back to this previous channel here where we touched it back in May. As soon as we touched it here, we got that nice little bounce. I was thinking if we were to come all the way back down here and touch this $41 area, that potentially this would be the opportunity to start a position and try to swing this back up. However, we did get a little bit of selling pressure today, however, bounced off just short of that. And we got a nice little pop here. What we're looking for here on DraftKings to going into tomorrow is going to be to confirm today's highs, 45.81. About a point away from right now. But I think that if we can get over that $45.80 range, we could get into this $47, $48 area. So if you're looking for a small move, you're looking for a potential day trade to the long side, if the market and DraftKings wants to continue to bounce off this 100-day moving average, you potentially have about a point to 2 points worth of room there where you can take some cash flow off of the top. Obviously, DraftKings is not going to be out of the woods until it gets over this $51 here. With earnings reports coming up, football season starting, definitely something that you want to look at. Normally, DraftKings tends to sell off into earnings, and then after earnings gets a little bit of a ramp up, in the days following. Obviously, this $41 area is still on watch here. If we do lose this $41 area here, we do have room to slide into the 37s. You're going to see going back here all the way to November, we had a previous channel here that's going to act as a little bit of support along with this lower Bollinger Band here. Obviously, any close below the lower Bollinger Band would take this down to $33. Personally, I don't see that happening unless there was something catastrophic going on in the market. I think that we're going to get a little bit of a basing out here, meaning that I think we're going to consolidate a little bit sideways, try to make an attempt to take over this 5 and 10-day moving average. And then obviously, let's see how earnings play out, because definitely we want to get over that 50-day, which is about $51. That's what I'm watching for on DraftKings. Going into this week, looking to take out 45.81 for a potential scalp here. Not looking to take massive cash flow off this move, but maybe a point and a half would be sufficient enough for me on this trade. Depending on your sizing, definitely go 3/4 size, half size on this, just due to the fact that we are trading below the 50-day moving average. You don't want to get too aggressive here and then end up getting rejected at these levels and then back tracing all the way back here to 41. So definitely monitor your trade. We're going to want to use 43.40 as our stop. So we're giving ourselves a little bit of risk here, but for a potential, probably 1-to-1 on the R to R. So definitely keep DraftKings on your watch list going forward, and let's see how she wants to participate. Also, guys, I do have a free Discord. That link will be down in the description below. I do intraday breakdowns. I also, do some signal calling on some stocks that potentially have room to run or room to flush. I also have a paid service where I do, daily watch lists, recap videos, a little bit more in depth, as well as an online trading course that you can, kind of learn what all these lines on my chart mean and how I trade these channels. Also, guys, if you did watch the end of this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. I would very much appreciate that. To every one of you guys in the Discord, I will see you guys tomorrow.